Good morning, students. Welcome to Verimata Public School. Subject Computer Studies, Standard 10, Chapter number 2, Head and Body Sections, Part 1. Today I have explained Chapter number 2, Head and Body Sections. First, Head section. What is a head section? Last time I have explained in chapter number 1 how to create a web page, how to save a web page, and how to output of a web page and HTML structure. And today I have explained HTML is a two sections. First is a head section and second is a body sections. So today I have discussed first topic, head section only. Yes, head section. An HTML document is divided into two sections called a head and body section. The head section of the HTML document provides necessary information about the HTML document. The content of the head section is included with the tag of head and slash tags. Combination of this tag, head tags, and content between this is known as a head element. That is a head tag and the tag and content between this is known as a head element. The first thing that can be included into the head section is the title. It is to be noted that the title will not be displayed as the content of the web page. It is displayed as the title of the browser window that show the web pages. It is to be noted that if a title is not specified, most browsers display the URL. URL that means Universal Resource Locator. That is a URL path or a file name. For the title tag must have its closing pair. Failing to use the closing title tag, the whole content will be considered as a title and it may be possible that the HTML document may not be loaded into the browser's window. That is a head sections. Next, meta tag of head section. The head section also contains additional information about the content and the HTML document. The tag that provides additional information is known as a meta tag. And then meta tags are used to store information usually relevant to browsers and search engines. An addition of appropriate meta tag describes nature of the web page precisely and make it easy for a search engine to search the web page efficiently. That is a meta tag. The name attribute of meta tag describes the value associated with the value. Various values associated with name attribute of meta tag are as follow. First is a description. What is a description? The most search engine will display the description when they put the result of a search to the users. In absence of such description, the search engine will display only first few words. An example of the description attribute of a meta tag is as follow. Example: meta name equals to description, content equals to about rainbow and its colors. That is a description meta tag. Next is a keyword. Keyword provided in this tag will be used by the search engine. Names of important characteristics, objective of the web page, and important topics may be enlisted as keyword. Example of the meta tag attribute that describe keyword is as follow. Example: meta name equals to keywords, content equals to rainbow, comma webgor. That is a meta tag of a keyword. Next is a author. The following meta tag attribute provides information about the author of the web page. Example: meta name equals to author, content equals to MK Gandhi. That is a meta tag of author. And others meta tag is available. There are some meta tag that tell the web page to load a specific URL after some seconds, or tag telling it that a certain page should not be cached. The following example refreshes the web page by reloading it after every 5 seconds. Example: meta http dash equiv, that means equivalence, equals to refresh, and content equals to 5. That means this HTML coding refresh the web page after every 5 seconds. That is a meta tag. Next, base tag of head section. That is a HTML base. The base tag specifies the base URL / target for all relative URLs in a page. Example: head and /head base href equals to http colon double slash test.com and then slash. That is a HTML base. And then example of metadata tag. I have also explained what is the description, meta tag, what is a keywords, what is a author, meta tag, and how to use a meta tag. And that example, HTML head, meta name equals to description, content equals to about rainbow and its colors. Meta name equals to keywords, content equals to rainbow and web core. Meta name equals to author and content equals to MK Gandhi. And then next is the important topic is a this is a comment. That is a comment. Comment is also allow you to provide additional information in the HTML code. And the comment are not meant to be displayed. That is, no one can see the comment unless the look at the HTML source code. To add a comment, we use angular brackets, exclamation marks, dash dash, comment, dash dash, and brackets, angular brackets over. That presence and of the comment are also referred at a prologue. This is a comment, that is a comment and slash head over. Body part P H1 nothing will be printed but this line and slash P and slash body over and slash HTML over. That is the example of meta tag coding. And save your file and the open browser. That is the output of meta tag only for displaying body part. Nothing will be printed but this line. That means meta tag is not displayed in the browser. That is a head section. Head section is over. And the remaining part, that means second part, is a body section. I have explained in next session. Okay, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.